Good morning, guys. Myself, Dr. Sakti Prasad. Now, in these lectures, we have described the moments about any points, origin, and mean in statistics. So now we go for the moments. What is the meaning of moments here? Just we write for the moment. Moments. Moments are the statistical tools used in statistical investigation. The name of moments comes from the concept of moments used in describing moment of force in mechanics. The, the moments of distributions are the arithmetic means of the various power of the deviation of the item from the some given numbers. Now it's play an important role in defining the various important measure of the central tendency, dispersion, skewness, kurtosis, etc. These are based on the moments of different orders. In particular, in particular, mean is a first order moment, first order moment. Variance, variance is a second order moment. In other words, we can say that the moments of different orders are used to describe the different feature of the distribution. So now we move for the moments about an arbitrary points. Here we take the arbitrary point is A. It is denoted and defined by mu r dash of A is equal to 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n bracket xi minus a to the power r for ungrouped for ungrouped data. Ungrouped data means that indivisible series, while a discrete series is given. And now 1 by n summation fi xi minus a to the power r, here I lies equal to 1 to n. This is for group data where frequency is involved. Now this is the equation number 1. We take the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Now some note is there. Mu 0. Here we take the r is equal to depends upon r1. R is equal to 1, 2, 3 dot 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 is the order of this. Mu 0 dash a is equal to 1. It is always coming mu 0 dash a is equal to 1. Now need to check for the ungrouped data. Here is ungrouped data. We check there 1 by n summation of xi minus a to the power 0, that is coming 1 by n is 1, summation 1 means that it is coming from 1 by n into n is equal to 1. Now for move for the group data, here group data, it is like write 1 by capital N summation of a5, when we put here 0, that is coming 1. Now this is coming 1 by n into summation of a5 in a frequency distribution. This part is also known as the capital N. 1 by n is equal to n to 1. So now this is for coming from the group data, means that the mu 0 dash of A is equal to 1. Now the movement for the next moments about origin. Here the next is moments about moment about origin. We can say that raw moments of order are, we put A is equal to 0 in the above equation. In the above equation 1 and equation 2, we get mu r dash is equal to mu r dash of 0 is equal to 1 by n summation xi to the power r, I is equal to 1 to n. This is for ungrouped data. For ungrouped data, and 1 by capital N summation fi xi to the power r, I is equal to 1 to n for group data. This is coming from the group data. Now the moment of origin is also denoted by mu r dash and defined like this. And we can say that this is known as this is known as rth order raw moment. Rth order raw moment. We can say that this is the rth order of raw moments. Now some note is there, and here we put r is equal to 1 2 dot dot. Now the note is what? Here we take the note. Some note is there. When we put r is equal to 1, we get mu 1 dash is equal to always coming x bar is the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean arithmetic arithmetic mean is always coming arithmetic mean. So now we go for the check here, it is coming or not. For check for the ungrouped data mu r dash, here is the ungrouped data we take is equal to what? Here is put 1, means 1 by n, 1 by a small n summation xi, I is equal to 1 to n. This is what? This is the x bar for the ungrouped data. Now the next is move for the group data. Therefore the group data mu 1 dash, it is coming from what? 1 by n summation of fi xi, I is equal to 1 to n. This is for what? This is the in a frequency distribution. When frequency is given, then we find the mean using this formula. This is known as the x bar. That's why we always take mu 1 dash is equal to x bar is the arithmetic mean. Now in movement for the moments of next is moments about. Next is moments about origin. Not origin, we can take the moment about mean. The moment about mean. and we can say that this is the central moment. Here is the central moments of order R. This is also known as the central moments of R. Now we put A is equal to x bar in equation 1 and equation 2 above. We get, and in a moment about mean, it is denoted like this mu r, and we write the mu r of x bar is coming is what 1 by n summation of I is equal to 1 to n bracket xi minus x bar to the power r for on group data, this is coming from on group data, or for the group data 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar to the power r for group data. This is coming from the group data. Now this is known as rth order central moment, central moment rth order central moments, and we put here r is equal to 1 to dot dot, depends upon you. In particular, in particular, first we need to find is what mu 0. First we take here, suppose here we take the mu 0, what happened? Mu 0 is what? Mu 0 is coming 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x to the power 0, that is coming 1 by n into summation 1, here is coming what? 1 by n into n is equal to 1 for the on group data. And now we move for the group data. 1 by, we take the 1 by n summation xi. Here we put for fi here. So need for the correction. It is in a central moment. In central moments formula, just we put here 1 by n summation fi into xi minus x bar to the power r for the group data. That's why we have take here xi minus x bar to the power whole r is equal to 0 into fi. We take here 1 by n summation fi. These values are in 1 by n into n. This is coming from 1. Now mu 0, we remember that mu 0, mu naught, we can say that mu naught is always coming 1. Now when we put r is equal to 1, r is equal to 1, now we get mu 1 is equal to what? 1 by n summation xi minus x bar, or 1 by n summation fi xi minus x bar is equal to 0. So need to check here. Here is 1 by n summation xi minus 1 by n summation x bar. Now this is coming from x bar, and here is x bar is a constant. We take the outside x bar, and here we write 1 by n into summation is 1. It is coming in. This is cancel out. That is what? this is 0. And now we go for the group data 1 by n summation fi xi minus 1 by n summation fi x bar. This is for what? This is coming x bar for the frequency distribution, and now this part is x bar is outside. We take 1 by n and this is also n, that is coming 1, that means it is coming 0. Means we can say that in the first central moment is always coming 0. In a first central moment mu 1 is equal to 0, that is, remember that mu 1 is always coming 0. Now we move for the, we take r is equal to 2, mu 2 is equal to 1 by n summation xi minus x bar ka whole square. This is what sigma square is equal to variance. It gives the variance. Now then we move for example. So now need to derive one example here. Example 1. Example, find the first central, find the first 4 central moment and for the following individual series. Here is series is given just like this, is 1, 3, 9, 12 or 20. Now solution is, first we need to write here the individual series is given and we need to find the first 4 central moments. So we write, we know that from the moment of moment about mean, we write the formula here, mu r is equal to 1 by n summation xi minus x bar to the power r, and we put here r is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 because we need for the first 4 moment. Now first need to find the target for x bar. How to find the x bar? So here we need for the find x bar. X bar is equal to individual series is given. Just we write for sum of the all datas, 1 plus 9 plus 12 plus 20, and divided what is the in here. In according to question, n is what? N is 5, and here is coming what? 45 by 5 is equal to 9. Now we write for the generalized formula first. What is the values of mu1? Mu1 is equal to 1 by n summation xi minus x bar. Mu2 is equal to 1 by n summation xi minus x bar square. Now the next, here is mu3 is equal to 1 by n summation xi minus x bar ka whole cube. Mu4 is equal to 1 by n summation xi minus x bar all to the power 4. Now here we target to find this value summation of xi minus x bar, summation of xi minus x bar ka whole cube, and summation of xi minus x ka whole square, summation of xi minus x bar ka whole to the power 4. And now here summation is coming for what? I is equal to 1 to n. Here is I is equal to 1 in everywhere. I is equal to 1 to n. Now first we construct the table. What is the requirement for? The first we need to construct the table. Here is first is xi. Here is given first is xi. Now the next is xi minus x bar. After that we go for the xi minus x bar ka whole square. Now the next is xi minus x bar ka whole cube. Next is xi minus x bar to the power 4. Here is first xi is 1, 1. Here is 3. Here is 9. Here is 12. According to the question, here is 20. Now we calculate it, what is the value is coming. So here is xi minus x bar is what? In according to the question, x bar we have find already, we have find x bar is coming from 9. Now is what? 1 minus 9 is coming here is minus 8. 3 minus 9 is coming minus 6, and here is 0, and 12 minus 9 is coming 3. 20 minus 11 is coming, 20 minus 9 is coming, here is 11. Now we go for the square for this. Minus 80 square is coming 64, here is 36, here is 0, 9, 1 to 1. And now this is cubing, and then we multiply for this and this column. We get the result is minus 512, minus 216, 0, 27, and here is coming 1331. And now in this portion xi minus x4, then we multiply this column xi minus x bar column into the xi minus x bar column. So just we get forward 4096, 1296, 0, 81, 14641. Now then we need for what? Here is a requirement for what? Here is need the summation of xi minus x bar, that is coming, the add, just we add here what is coming here, these values are coming 0. And now the next is summation of xi minus x bar ka whole square. After adding this column we get these values is 230. And now here summation of xi minus x bar whole cube is equal to what? It is coming from 630. And now in this portion summation of xi minus x bar to the power 4 is equal to coming 20114. And now these values are summation of xi minus x bar, substituting here mu1, and these values all we have calculated it, and then substituting these values and we find the first four central moments. So first we required for what? Mu1, just we find the mu1 is equal to what? Some 0 by total number is what? 5. Here we write 0. Now according to the above formula, just how to find the mu2? Mu2 is equal to 230. I have directly is given the value, substitute the values here, we get the 46. And now mu3 is equal to, just we put 630 by 5. It is coming from 1 to 6. Here is mu4 is equal to 20114 divided by 5. It is coming 4022.8. This is the answer for this question. Now this question is coming from the individual series for the ungrouped data. Now the next example is it's coming from the frequency distribution. Here frequencies is given. Now in this portion calculate here the next example is the next example. Just we write one example here. Next example. Calculate first four central moments of the following. The following data is given. CI class interval is given and frequencies is also given. So now need to write here the question 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, now 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Now the frequency is 10, 20, 40, 20, 10. This is the question. Now this question is coming from first calculate the first four central moments. Now here is a frequency. First we write the formula, which formula we can apply here. The solutions. We know that from the moments about mean, just we write the mu r is equal to 1 by capital N summation of fi xi minus x bar to the power r. Here r we take r is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 because here we find the first four central moments. And before that we required for x bar. In a frequency distribution we know that how to find the x bar. Here is requirement for what? Summation of fi xi. Here is I is equal to 1 to n. Here is I is equal to 1 to n divided by n. Now what is the meaning of n? N is the summation of a5. Now these are the formula. Now we need to first we calculate the what is the values of what is the requirement for the mu1. Here we write for the mu1 is equal to y 1 by n summation of a5 xi minus x bar. Mu2 is equal to 1 by n summation a5 xi minus x bar ka whole square. And here for mu3 is equal to 1 by n summation a5 xi minus x bar ka whole cube. Therefore mu4 is equal to 1 by n summation a5 xi minus x bar ka whole 4. Here the summation is always coming I is equal to 1 to n, I is equal to 1 to small n, I is equal to 1 to small n, 1 to small n. Then the requirement first is what? According to this formula here needed for what? The first we need for the x bar, then we need for this values, and after that we go for these values, and after that these values are coming. Now the next is this summation of this, and these values are requirements. That's why we need to construct the table for. And now in this case how to find the x. Here is the class interval is given. Now in this section class interval is given. Here is class interval is given, and now frequencies is also given. Class interval 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Now in this section frequency is also given 10, 20, 40, 20 and 10. Now the target first to find the summation of fi xi, need for the xi. Now in this case, in the case of the frequency distribution, here is the case of frequency distribution with the class interval. the values of x, the values of x are the midpoint of the class interval, are the midpoint of the class interval, means that 0 plus 10 by 2, we take 0 plus 10 by 2 is what? Here is 5. Just we remember that in a case of frequency distribution with the class interval, the values of x are the midpoint of the interval. So first we need to find the values of x. Here is 5 and 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is coming from what is 15. Here is 20 plus 30, 50 divided by 2 is 25. Here is 30 plus 40 divided by 2 is 35. Here is 40 plus 50 divided by 2 is coming 45. Now we getting the values of x, y, x, and then next target to find the x bar. And now x bar is the formula is required for need to what? We construct fi xi. Here we write the next column, we construct the next column fi xi. And now the next is what? Here is requirement for fi xi minus x bar. So first we targeted, we find the xi minus x bar here. Now we go for the xi minus x bar ka whole square. And after that we go for the xi minus x bar ka whole cube, xi minus x bar ka whole to the power 4. But our target to find the fi bracketed xi minus x bar, then we construct the next column. First we find this value and after that we construct this table. Okay, so first we construct this table and then we find next. Here is what? Here is coming fi xi is 50. Here is coming 300, 1000, 700. Here is coming 450. Now we target, first we need to find the x bar because here x bar is required. That's why we find the summation. Here is summation of fi is what? So just we count, we get the values of 100. Here is requirement of summation of fi xi. We count here. It is getting for what? 2500. So now we move for the x bar formula. X bar formula is what? Summation of fi xi summation fi xi divided by n. N is what? Here is n. Here is the summation of frequency. We put 2500 by 100. It is coming what? 25. Now the next we calculated these values. Here we calculation is going on. Summation xi minus x bar. X bar is what? X bar is coming 25. Here is x bar is 25, means here is 5 minus 25 is coming minus 20. Here is coming 15 minus 25, it is coming from what? Minus 10. 25 minus 25, it is coming 0. 35 minus 25 is coming 10. And it 45 minus 25 is coming what? 20. And now here is a square is needed, square needed for these values. Directly we put here 400, 100. Here is 0, 100, 400. Now after that xi minus x bar ka whole cube, just we multiply these both two columns. We get this value is minus 8000, minus 1000, 0, 100, 8000, and similarly we find these values here xi minus x bar all to the power, and this column we can multiply it, we get the result for this 160000. Here is coming 10000. Here is coming 0. Now in this portion it is coming from what? 10000. Here is coming 160000. Now in requirement for what? Here is requirement for a5 of xi minus x bar. That's why we construct the next column. So we construct here. Here we construct for a5 xi minus x bar, a5 xi minus x bar whole square, a5 xi minus x bar का whole cube, and here a5 xi minus x bar to the power 4. How to find this? Now in a first column we go for this. Here we need for this a5 columns and we multiply for the a5 xi, and after that we a5 multiply for the xi minus x bar square, and after that a5 multiply by xi minus x bar cube, and after that we a5 into xi minus x bar to the power 4, and after that we get these values. So here we have calculated it. So just we go, here is coming 200, 200, coming 0, here is coming 200. When we multiply, here is coming 200, and now we similarly we find here, therefore what, 4000, 2000, here is 0, 2000, 4000, and now in this portion here is coming 80000, and minus 2, 40, we take 40, here is coming 0, and 20000, and after it calculating, and here is coming 80000, and now in this portion it is coming from 160000, here is coming 200000, here is coming 0, 200000, 160000, and after need to find the summation of this portion. So here we write for the summation. Here the summation of a5 xi minus x bar is what? It is coming from what? 0. Now for this section, summation of a5 xi minus x bar square is what? Here is coming 666, or 6 is coming 12,000. Here is coming 12,000. And now here we calculated f of xi minus x bar whole to the power q is equal to what? Now this function is coming 0. Now in this part, summation of a5 xi minus x bar to the power 4 is equal to what? After writing this column, we get is 360000. Now the substituting these values in mu1, mu2 and mu3 and mu4. Here we getting for the mu1 is equal to what? mu1 is equal to 0 by n. N is what? N is 100. That is coming 0. Therefore mu2 is equal to what? 1 by 100 into summation of a5 into x bar का whole square. Here we substitute. It is coming from 120. It is coming from 120. And now we find for the mu3, 1 by 100 into summation of a5 minus xi minus x bar का whole cube is coming 0. Here is coming 0. And mu4 is equal to what? 1 by 100 into 360000, and now it is coming for 36,000. 36,000. So this is the first four central moments for the frequency distributions. So thank you guys. Thank you. So please like, comments and subscribe my channels.